This is a 2006 Honda Pilot. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a multi-link rear suspension, roof rails, front and rear floor mats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear window defroster, stability control, heated side view mirrors, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Beck & Maston GMC Buick North is located at 11300 FM 1960 West in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.